Do you have work ethic or are you just passing time? Hey everyone, it's Todd again with Success in Real Estate. I'm going to share with you that one thing that you've been looking for that's going to solve all your business problems to grow your business. The rocket science you've been missing that's going to fix everything. Here's one thing I know about you if you watch my videos. You probably work hard and you put in a lot of time. Now there's a second part to work ethic that you may not have measured very closely, and now it's coming to the surface. What are you doing with the time that you're putting in? This is where true work ethic is measured, and I want to leave you with some thoughts to consider and a little exercise. Number one, are you doing the uncomfortable things daily or are you just putting in the time? Number two, are you doing the things that have the greatest impact on your business now or are you just putting in the time? Here's what I've learned, and it's a simple growth model. Number one, do the most uncomfortable things first every single day in the time that you're applying to your business. Number two, measure your activities and results at the end of each day based on the time you put in. Number three, make sure you do those things daily, that they're daily activities that will have the highest impact on your business. Do it every day because consistency is the number one differentiator. You see, it's not about the time, it's about what you put in the time consistently. So right there it is, your silver bullet business tip for high performance. That's it. If you need help growing your business, DM me, I can help.